Hello, and welcome to our channel, where we share valuable information to help you lead a healthy lifestyle. Today's video is all about the top 10 foods to clean your kidneys. Your kidneys are two bean-shaped organs located on either side of your spine, just below your rib cage. They play a crucial role in removing waste and toxins from your body, regulating your blood pressure, and maintaining fluid balance. However, when your kidneys aren't functioning properly, waste products can accumulate in your blood, leading to a variety of health problems. Eating a balanced diet with the right foods can help keep your kidneys functioning optimally. So, without further ado, here are the top 10 foods that can help clean your kidneys. Number 1. Cranberries. Cranberries are a superfood that can offer numerous health benefits, including for kidney health. They are high in antioxidants, which can help protect your kidneys from damage caused by free radicals. They also contain compounds called proanthocyanidins, which can help prevent urinary tract infections by preventing bacteria from sticking to the walls of your bladder and urinary tract. Additionally, cranberries have been shown to improve kidney function in people with chronic kidney disease by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Including cranberries in your diet can be a great way to support your kidney health, but it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet. Number 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are an excellent source of antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties that help protect the kidneys. They are also low in potassium, making them a good option for those with kidney problems. Blueberries contain compounds that prevent oxidative stress-induced damage to the kidneys and may reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease. Incorporating blueberries into your diet can be an easy way to support kidney health. Adding them to smoothies, salads, or eating them as a snack are all great ways to reap the benefits of this delicious fruit. Number 3. Apples. Apples are a nutritious fruit that can offer several health benefits, including for kidney health. They are a good source of fiber, which can help reduce cholesterol levels and improve kidney function. They also contain compounds called flavonoids, which have been shown to prevent oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Additionally, apples have been found to reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease in animal studies. Eating apples as a part of a balanced diet can be a healthy way to support your kidney health, but it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic contains compounds that help lower blood pressure and reduce inflammation in the kidneys. It also has antibacterial properties that protect against infections. The sulfur compounds in garlic promote antioxidant activity, which helps to prevent cellular damage in the kidneys. Garlic may also reduce the risk of developing kidney stones due to its ability to dissolve mineral buildup in the kidneys. Adding garlic to your meals or taking garlic supplements can be an easy way to support kidney health. However, it's important to speak with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Number 5. Cabbage. The health benefits of cabbage, a nutrient-rich vegetable, include support for renal function. It is a good source of fiber, which helps lower the risk of renal disease and help control blood sugar levels. Moreover, cabbage has a lot of phytonutrients and antioxidants that can protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. Moreover, glucosinolates, which have been demonstrated to have anti-cancer characteristics and may help lower the risk of kidney cancer, are a group of molecules found in cabbage. Incorporating cabbage in your diet can be a beneficial strategy to support kidney health, but you should always speak with a healthcare provider before making any significant dietary changes. Number 6. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in healthy fats and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect against kidney damage. It also contains oleic acid, a compound that has been shown to improve kidney function. Studies have found that consuming olive oil may reduce the risk of developing chronic kidney disease and can also help manage blood pressure levels. Using olive oil as a cooking oil or adding it to your salads can be an easy way to support kidney health. However, it's important to choose high-quality, extra virgin olive oil and use it in moderation, as it is still fat with a high caloric content. Number 7. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are a healthy vegetable that can aid kidney health, among other things. Because of their high vitamin C content, they may assist to enhance kidney function and lower the risk of renal disease. Antioxidants included in red bell peppers can aid in defending the kidneys against harm from free radicals. They also include substances known as capsaicinoids, which are anti-inflammatory and can help lessen inflammation in the kidneys. Red bell peppers might be a nutritious method to boost kidney health in your diet. Number 8. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is low in potassium and high in vitamin C, making it a great option for those with kidney problems. It also contains compounds that help reduce inflammation and promote kidney function. The sulfur compounds in cauliflower have been shown to support the liver and kidneys in detoxifying the body of harmful substances. Additionally, cauliflower is high in fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote healthy digestion. Incorporating cauliflower into your meals can be an easy way to support kidney health. It can be roasted, mashed, or used as a substitute for rice or potatoes in various recipes. Number 9. Kale. Superfood kale can aid kidney health among other health conditions. It contains a lot of fiber, which may help lower cholesterol and enhance renal function. Antioxidants found in kale are also helpful in preventing free radical damage to the kidneys. It also includes substances known as glucosinolates, which have been demonstrated to have anti-cancer characteristics and may aid in lowering the risk of kidney cancer. Incorporating kale in your diet can be a good approach to promote kidney health. Number 10. Onions. Onions contain flavonoids that help reduce inflammation and fight off harmful free radicals that can cause damage to the kidneys. They also have diuretic properties that help flush out excess fluids from the body, reducing the risk of swelling and high blood pressure. Onions are a good source of vitamin C, which supports the immune system and helps protect against infections. Additionally, onions are low in potassium, making them a great option for those with kidney problems. Adding onions to your meals can be an easy way to promote kidney health. They can be sauteed, caramelized, or used as a base for soups and stews. Including these foods in your diet can help support your kidney health. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet. In addition to eating a healthy diet, there are other steps you can take to keep your kidneys functioning optimally. Here are a few tips. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Limit your intake of processed foods, which can be high in salt and other additives that can be harmful to your kidneys. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, which can damage your kidneys over time. That brings us to the end of this video. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for our future updates.